is our first Valentine's Day in Florida.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And we get to spend it on a beach. I've been dying. It's been kind of cold.
Beach in February.
Yeah, beach in February. And it's 80 degrees and it's beautiful. It's just a great day. Stay tuned for the beach.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving has got me moving my own feet. Greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me.
What's up, guys? So I just wanted to say, about like 7 weeks ago.
It's been like 10 weeks now. Yeah, so the day before Thanksgiving, I was playing flag football and literally broke my own ankle. I made a juke move and did not stutter step and just made one hard step into the ground with cleats on, snapped my tibia and broke my fibula. Thank God, this is like almost 10 weeks later. I'm walking around. Actually started walking a week early. So this is my first time back on the beach and I'm so excited.
I just want to encourage you, like if you are on a journey to either lose weight, gain weight, be healthier, whatever it is, just take it one day at a time and don't put so much pressure on yourself and enjoy the little things, the small things in life. If you have, like if you live in the mountains, go to the mountains today and feel alive. If you live close to the beach, go to the beach. Like, do something active. Just get out.
If there's a forest near you, go hiking.
If there's nothing to do, find some type of hobby.
Get outside. Do
Just
something.
please don't watch Netflix all your life. Don't let the TV drain you. Like, go and have
I
fun.
like to say, watch Netflix once in a while.
Yes, we watch Netflix. I love Netflix.
Just don't like binge until you're like, oh my God, what am I doing? Don't let the screen say, are you still watching?
Oh my gosh. That is the biggest conviction. Is like, are you still watching Vampire Diaries? So wherever you are, just keep going. Lose that pound, even if it takes a month, just keep going. Any encouragement from you?
No, that's good. That's real good. No, I've gained 5 pounds back since losing the 15 and I'm feeling good. My encouragement would be no matter what happens in life, find time for yourself.
Let's not waste time, we'll take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my